You've probably met Atlas. It is one of the world's most advanced AI military robots developed by Boston Dynamics. This revolutionary robot has now received jaw-dropping upgrades and can perform super insane tasks that no other robot can execute. Boston Dynamics has been in the business of manufacturing military-focused AI robots for over 2 decades. And while it remains a pioneer in this space, there are tons of other robotics companies that are fast springing up and are likewise pushing the boundary in robotics technology that's specifically built for military applications. But before any of the more modern military robots that have been created by Boston Dynamics, the company built several other top robots that have been nothing short of impressive, like this one right here. Meet Big Dog, a metal beast conjured up by Boston Dynamics as far back as 2005 and one of its earliest military robots. This 4-legged beast has the strength and agility of an actual war machine and can carry heavy equipment for soldiers through rugged terrain that even the toughest military vehicles cannot traverse. With its unique design and absence of wheels, it moves quickly. It can conquer obstacles that would defeat even the most seasoned soldiers. Measuring 3 feet in length and standing 2.5 feet tall, this robotic marvel was the size of a small mule, yet a compact and powerful war machine. In 2010, Boston Dynamics unleashed Big Dog 2.0 onto the wild, and the internet went wild. With its ability to run at a zippy 5 miles per hour and tackle a variety of terrains, Big Dog was the newest marvel of modern engineering. However, there was no denying that the robot still looked a bit awkward in motion, so Boston Dynamics made remarkable improvements to it and developed multiple versions with unique features and designs. One of these versions was a Little Dog, a smaller version of Big Dog that quickly became a favorite among engineers and robotics enthusiasts. And then there was Big Dog Olé, a robot with the potential to replace the hapless bulls in Spain's bullfighting arenas. But Boston Dynamics' most impressive iteration of Big Dog was Alpha Dog, a robotic pack mule that could carry an astounding 400 pounds of gear on missions through rough terrain. And finally, in 2012, the company unveiled an even more advanced quadrupedal robot known as the Legged Squad Support System, or LS. This stronger and bigger version of Big Dog was capable of operating in extreme environments and carrying heavy loads over longer distances. But despite the incredible progress and investment poured into the Big Dog project, Boston Dynamics eventually made the tough decision to discontinue it in 2015. Here's MUT, a super advanced AI military robot from General Dynamics. MUT, which stands for Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, is designed to accompany soldiers on the battlefield and ease their travels through rough terrain. MUT can carry an impressive 1,200 pounds of weight and can provide up to 3,000 watts of power, making it an invaluable tool for soldiers on the move. It can travel up to 60 miles on a single fill, allowing soldiers to stay on the move longer without worrying about running out of power. General Dynamics is now working on taking MUT's capabilities to the next level. MUT will no longer be just a transport vehicle, but a highly intelligent and autonomous machine. It will be equipped with sophisticated AI that can assess situations and respond to threats with a lightning-fast speed, all while keeping soldiers safe. MUT will also be capable of undertaking a wide variety of combat roles, leaving soldiers to only focus on highly specialized tasks that require a human touch, such as diplomacy, psychology, and creative problem-solving. It's also expected that MUT will be capable of emulating more human-like abilities like facial recognition, speech analysis, and decision-making processes. With so many AI military robots in its fleet, Boston Dynamics has continued to be the leader in the military robotics space. Another of its earliest known military robots is Petman. This super impressive humanoid robot was introduced in 2009 and is capable of walking at a cool speed of 3.2 miles per hour. Petman was designed to mimic the movement of real soldiers with 30 hydraulic actuators serving as its muscles. But that was only the beginning. In 2011, Petman was upgraded to do squats and push-ups, making it more human-like than ever before. Petman stands for Protection Ensemble Test Mannequin, and this robot was created specifically for testing protective gear used by troops in combat situations. It can move just like a real soldier, walking, running, crawling, and bending, with the added bonus of being able to withstand chemical and biological attacks. And Petman's capabilities do not end here. The robot can also be programmed to do things that human soldiers ordinarily can't, like navigating through difficult terrain, detecting landmines, and carrying heavy equipment without getting tired. And with advanced sensors and cameras, it also has superior situational awareness compared to humans, with this giving it a significant advantage on the battlefield. Between 2015 and 2019, Petman received significant upgrades to make it more sophisticated and a more cost-effective option for the military than human soldiers. But before Petman, Boston Dynamics developed a much smaller and compact robot for the US Army in 2012. This robot, named Sandflea, is so agile that it can jump over a 2-story building in the blink of an eye. It's powered by CO2 and can make 30 jumps in a row before running out of power. But what's even more impressive is its ability to capture surveillance footage in midair while jumping. Boston Dynamics describes it as a handy surveillance tool for places that are inaccessible or too dangerous for humans. So think of it like a spy that can jump over walls and get a bird's eye view of things without putting anyone in harm's way. Sandflea was originally intended to be used in Afghanistan to hop over walls, look around, and then return to its base. While the situation in Afghanistan has changed, it's clear that Sandflea's capabilities continue to remain useful in many other situations. To make Sandflea work, Boston Dynamics had to overcome several challenges. One of the most significant was keeping the robot stable during its jumps so that it could record clear footage. But the navigational system is so advanced that soldiers can even direct the Sandflea to jump into an open window. That's some serious precision. And while Big Dog and its many iterations were impressive, they just weren't fast and stealthy enough. So Boston Dynamics set out to fix this and created Cheetah, its first attempt at giving super speed to robots. To ensure that this robot truly has phenomenal speed, Boston Dynamics looked to nature for inspiration. They developed a biologically inspired choreography of interactions between the robot's feet, legs, and back to increase its speed. Thanks to this innovative approach, Cheetah can reach a speed of 28.3 miles per hour, which is incredibly fast for a robot. Boston Dynamics' Cheetah robot inspired similar styled robots by other companies and institutions, most notably MIT. Next came one of the most exciting and advanced robots ever created by Boston Dynamics, Atlas. Atlas was first created in 2013. The robot's earliest version stood at 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighed 330 pounds, and was based on the Pentman robot that the company had created back in 2009. Initially, Atlas was designed for the DARPA Robotics Challenge, a competition aimed at advancing robotics technology to aid response efforts during natural and human-made disasters. But since its debut, Atlas has undergone significant changes and improvements. In 2016, the robot received a new design that made it shorter and more agile, with the ability to operate both indoors and outdoors. It uses sensors in its body and legs to maintain balance, and LiDAR and stereo sensors in its head to avoid obstacles. But perhaps the most impressive feature of Atlas is its ability to jump and even do a backflip. It's not hard to see why Atlas has become a fan favorite in the tech world. In 2018, the next generation of Atlas was introduced, which could run outdoors. This was a huge breakthrough for the team because it allowed the robot to explore a unique environment outside of the lab. During the development process, new techniques were developed that allowed Atlas to use its whole body with complex algorithms in calculating the speed and coordination of its movement. It learned to do parkour and could do every trick with a success rate of about 80%. By 2021, Atlas could finish a whole parkour course independently. It's crazy how fast Atlas is being developed. The Atlas team is now working on pushing the robot to its limits by doing the most crazy, exciting, high-powered stuff they can do with it. This pushing of limits not only benefits Atlas but also translates to all other robots at Boston Dynamics. And like Atlas, this robot right here is another of Boston Dynamics' elite military robots. Here's Spot, a compact and agile four-legged robot that can scurry around your home, office, or the outdoors. The original Spot robot was a game-changer for Boston Dynamics, making a significant turning point in the company's evolution of robotic technology. Spot Classic, as it is now known, was designed to operate both indoors and outdoors, making it a versatile addition to the company's product line. Weighing in at around 160 pounds, Spot Classic was considerably faster, smaller, and more agile than its predecessors, the Big Dog models. One of the key innovations that enabled Boston Dynamics to shrink the size of the robot was the decision to use an electric engine to power the hydraulic system rather than a gas engine. The resulting Spot Classic became the flagship design for the Spot model, with the company describing it as a machine that pushes the boundaries of what is possible with mobile robots. Over time, Boston Dynamics continued to iterate on the Spot design, culminating the release of Spot Mini in 2016. Weighing at just 55 pounds, Spot Mini was a smaller and more compact version of the original Spot robot. In subsequent years, Boston Dynamics would drop the Mini moniker and simply refer to the robot as Spot. In addition to its smaller size, Spot was also notable for being an all-electric robot that could run for up to 90 minutes on a single charge. 1 year after its initial release, the robot was given a new, more iconic yellow design that has since become synonymous with the Boston Dynamics brand. One of the standout features of Spot is its ability to perform a wide range of tasks, thanks in part to the inclusion of an arm on some models. This arm allows the robot to open doors, pick up objects, and perform other useful tasks. Spot has become highly versatile over time and continues to revolutionize the field of robotics. Using data from its cameras, it's able to detect and avoid obstacles while localizing itself in a map and autonomously navigating through any space, be it indoors or outdoors. It's also been upgraded to be capable of executing a wide range of functions, including collecting data, monitoring sites, exploring terrains, and custom tasks. This has made Spot a valuable asset in the military, hospitals, police and fire departments, and construction sites. Another impressive feature of this robot is its ability to carry up to 14 kilograms of equipment, making it a valuable tool for field research and exploration. Its arm is equipped with a powerful grip that can pick up, carry, and drag items, while its 4K camera and LED illuminator can inspect objects in great detail. Spot can even perform complex tasks like turning valves and flipping levers. In June 2020, Boston Dynamics made Spot commercially available to consumers for $74,500, making a significant milestone in the company's history. Since then, Spot has been used in a wide variety of applications, including search and rescue operations, scientific research, and industrial inspections. Spot's ability to create 3D maps of locations and identify interesting objects could make it a valuable tool in space exploration, and its arm's ability to take samples could be crucial in gathering data from other planets. In the future, we may see Spot exploring Mars and other planets, helping to expand our knowledge of the universe and push the boundaries of what is possible with robotics technology. Spot was recently spotted performing military duties after it was deployed by the French Army during military exercises. The French Army has been exploring the potential uses of robots in warfare and has been testing Spot as a reconnaissance tool in its latest 2-day training exercise. The École Spéciale Militaire de Saint-Cyr, France's foremost military school, shared pictures of the exercises on Twitter, which showed Spot dutifully following soldiers through rugged terrain and scanning the environment with its cameras and sensors. Throughout the 2-day deployment, soldiers ran various scenarios, including offensive and defensive actions and urban combat tests, with each scenario being performed using just humans and then with humans and robots working together. Spot was able to successfully navigate challenging terrains, gather intelligence, and provide support to soldiers in a variety of ways. And while Boston Dynamics, Spot, and Atlas robots are fast getting in on the action on military operations, an increasing number of military robots from other robotics companies are likewise closing in. Meet Dogo, a relentless and reliable machine from General Robotics that's fast gaining acclaim as being the future of combat. This mechanical marvel is designed to assist soldiers in the most challenging situations and to serve as a steadfast watchdog in the field. With its 9mm Glock pistol always at the ready, Dogo is the ultimate tactical combat machine. With its compact size and lightweight construction of just 10 kilograms, Dogo is a formidable force that can be easily transported anywhere. It can be deployed in a variety of combat scenarios, such as anti-terror operations, hostage rescue, and close-quarter combat. Dogo can also be used for fatal funnel clearance urban warfare and even tunnels and underground warfare. It's compatible with small pistols like the Glock 26 and Sig Sauer P320SC, which can be mounted with a simple click. And with its two-way audio system, Dogo is great for facilitating negotiations in the field. And with its secure 2.4 GHz wireless communication system, it can relay crucial information to soldiers in real time. This robot also has an innovative one-button stair-climbing mechanism that allows it to traverse difficult terrain with ease. Dogo is also not just a mindless robot, it's equipped with a comprehensive situal awareness system that enables it to function day and night. Its 8 color video cameras and 5 selectable real-time channels provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings, and with its near-infrared variable illumination, it can also detect objects in low light conditions. And here's GuardBot, a military surveillance robot developed by GuardBot Incorporations. GuardBot is a cutting-edge amphibious robot that's designed to conquer any type of terrain. With its advanced rolling mechanism, this versatile device can traverse snow, sand, dirt, and even water with ease. Whether it's monitoring a remote location or conducting reconnaissance missions, GuardBot is the perfect tool for any surveillance operation. It comes in a range of sizes from a tiny 5-inch model to a colossal 7 feet in diameter. This allows it to be used for a variety of applications, from covert surveillance to large-scale military operations. GuardBot is fitted with 2 high-resolution surveillance cameras that can capture crystal-clear footage from any angle. It also has microphones that can pick up sounds from a distance, enabling it to detect even the faintest of noises. With its GPS capabilities, GuardBot can be controlled remotely via satellites, making it a perfect surveillance tool for hard-to-reach locations. While GuardBot is still in development, it's estimated that it could cost as much as $100,000. However, the military is already showing interest in using this advanced technology in their future deployments, and it's easy to see why. When GuardBot becomes available in the markets, there'll be little to absolutely no need for human guards. But military robotics are not exclusively combative. Robots like Safer were specifically designed for hazard prevention. Safer is a humanoid military robot developed by Virginia Tech and a shining example of what the fusion of advanced technology and human ingenuity can achieve. Standing at 5 feet 10 inches and weighing 143 pounds, Safer is a fully autonomous bot that's designed to combat fires on naval vessels. Safer was first manufactured in 2014, and the Office of Naval Research has since taken the lessons learned from Safer's development and applied them to create even more advanced robotic prototypes. These new machines are built to prioritize mobility and autonomous capabilities, allowing them to navigate tight spaces and perform a range of shipboard functions beyond firefighting. The next-generation prototypes are slated for experimentation in the coming year with the ultimate goal of revolutionizing shipboard maintenance and hazard removals. And as the SAFER program continues to evolve and improve, the future of unmanned systems in the Navy's science and technology strategy looks brighter than ever. As much as AI robots are being fiercely developed to fully replace human soldiers on the battlefield in a couple of years, robots that are designed to protect human soldiers are likewise fast becoming mainstream. Here's PackBot, the cutting-edge tactical robot developed by Robotex to revolutionize military and law enforcement operations and protect human soldiers in dangerous situations. PackBot was designed specifically for bomb disposal and reconnaissance. Developed by iRobot, this innovative robot is small yet powerful, rugged, and remotely operated. It can maneuver through challenging terrains, climb stairs, and overcome obstacles to reach areas that are inaccessible or too dangerous for humans. It's equipped with an array of advanced sensors that can detect hazardous materials, chemical agents, and explosive devices, ensuring the safety of the military personnel handling it. In addition, the robot can transmit live video feeds to the operator, allowing them to get a clear view of the situation before engaging in a mission. PackBot can also be customized with different attachments and tools to suit various missions. For instance, it can be fitted with a gripper arm for manipulating objects, a scoop for digging, or even a cutter for breaking through barriers. Its advanced technology enables it to operate in harsh environments, from icy mountaintops to sweltering deserts, without compromising its performance. It is also designed to withstand the rigors of battle, making it an indispensable asset on the front line. Meet K-MAX, the unmanned helicopter that's changing the game for military logistics. K-MAX was used by the U.S. Marine Corps in Afghanistan to carry up to 6,000 pounds of cargo to troops in the field. And with no pilot on board, K-MAX can fly into dangerous areas where it's too risky for manned aircraft. Equipped with advanced AI technology, K-MAX can navigate complex terrain and avoid obstacles on its own. But K-MAX isn't just a drone, it's a military robot designed to work alongside human troops. By carrying supplies, ammunition, and other critical items, K-MAX frees up soldiers to focus on their mission and stay safe. And with K-MAX on the job, troops can get what they need when they need it, no matter where they are. Another robot that's fast gaining relevance in the world of AI military robots is Themis. Themis is fast changing the face of modern warfare and was specifically designed for combat situations. It's a small, unmanned ground vehicle that looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. It's designed to be tough and rugged, with a tracked hybrid modular infantry system that can navigate even the toughest terrain. Themis is designed to withstand even the toughest battlefield conditions. Its outer shell is made from high-strength materials that can resist damage from bullets, shrapnel, and even explosive blasts. That means it can continue operating even in the face of heavy fire. Whether it's rough terrain or a battlefield filled with obstacles, Themis can handle it all with ease. One of the most impressive features of Themis is its versatility. It can be equipped with a range of weapons, including a 12.7mm heavy machine gun. This makes it perfect for a wide variety of combat situations, from infantry support to urban warfare. And since it's unmanned, it can operate in areas that are too dangerous for human soldiers. But it's not just tough on the outside. Themis is also highly intelligent on the inside. It's equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that allow it to see and hear everything that's happening around it. It can detect enemy movement, identify potential threats, and even communicate with other units on the battlefield. But Themis isn't just a killing machine, it's also designed to be highly intelligent and adaptable. It can analyze the battlefield in real time and make split-second decisions based on the situation. This means it can respond to changing conditions faster than any human soldier ever could. In addition to its combat capabilities, Themis is also designed to be modular. That means it can be customized to suit a wide variety of missions. Whether it's reconnaissance, surveillance, or search and rescue, Themis can be equipped with the tools it needs to get the job done. Themis is an incredible piece of technology that's changing the face of modern warfare. Ever imagined a military vehicle that could transform like a character from your favorite sci-fi movie? Well, the Black Knight Transformer is not a fictional character. It is a real unmanned aerial vehicle that can transform into a ground vehicle. Just picture it, the Black Knight Transformer soaring high above the clouds, scanning the terrain below with its advanced sensors. Then, with a flick of a switch, it transforms into a ground vehicle ready to tackle any challenge on the battlefield. It's like having a superhero vehicle at your disposal. But the Black Knight Transformer is not just for show, it's a highly functional military robot that can serve multiple purposes. Need to gather intelligence? No problem, the Black Knight Transformer can conduct reconnaissance and surveillance missions with ease. Need to transport supplies to a remote location? The Black Knight Transformer can carry cargo and equipment like a truck. And what's even cooler is that the Black Knight Transformer can operate autonomously, meaning it can make decisions on its own without human intervention, or it can be controlled remotely, allowing for human input and control. This makes it a versatile and adaptable vehicle for a variety of military missions and an invaluable asset in military logistics. As military robotics technology continues to grow, we'll continue to see more and more super advanced AI robots that will be capable of undertaking military missions with greater proficiency and possibly even better than human armies. Armies of autonomous military robots are also fast being developed. In another decade or so, military warfare will be a completely robotic affair. Which of these super advanced military AI robots did you find the most intriguing? Let us know your answers in the comments below.